Welcome to PyMath. In this problem that showed up in the Kangaroo Math Competition 2023 grades 9 to 10, the problem states as follows. 7 pairwise different single-digit numbers are distributed among the circles shown there, so that the product of the three numbers that are connected by the straight line is the same in all three cases. So whatever you're going to put there, the three numbers, they have to give a product of a number which is same as the next set of three and the vertical set of three spaces. So this product which is coming out of this row, the product that is coming out of this row, the product coming out of this column should be the same. And they said they are all single digit numbers, so they are not double digit numbers, and they are all different, so it cannot be the same. So you're talking about numbers from 1 to 9, because they also said the product of the three numbers, single digit numbers, and they're different. So 0 cannot be a number, because if you multiply anything by 0, you are going to get a 0, and 0 is not cannot be in any of those spaces, because once you get a product of 0, then in the other combinations you got to get the same 0. Without a 0, you cannot get another zeros in different combinations, so 0 cannot be the number. So you have to use numbers between 1 to 9. So as soon as you see a problem like this, think about a number which can have maximum number of factors in single digit. So in this case, let's try to pick a number which has factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if possible, right? So we are talking about options to be selected between 1 to 9. So the number should be divisible by maximum number of this 1 to 9 numbers. So how many spaces we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you can have a number which can have a minimum of 7 factors out of 1 to 9, then probably we can fill up those factors in the spaces and try to solve it. So one of those numbers which can have many number of factors in this 1 to 9 is 72, because 72 can be divided by 1, obviously. 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is not a factor, but 6 is a factor, 7 is not a factor, so let's strike it out. And 8 is a factor, 9 is a factor for 72. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 that we can use in the spaces and try to see whether we can come up with something. Because 9 and 8 are the biggest ones, let's combine them with 1 and let's put them in the first three spaces, so that 9 8s are 72 multiplied by 1. Here you are going to get 72. So the next one, because 9 is the biggest number, let's park something of a smaller number on this column here. So let's say we put a 2 here. So the next number, to multiply to get to 72, is 4. So here we are going to get 72. So on the second row, again, the two numbers that are left out is 1, we have already used it, 2, we have already used it, and 3 is one number we haven't used it, 4 we have used it, 6. So 3 and 6, right? So if you put 3 and 6, you will get 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, 18 4 is 72. So again, you are getting the same 72 in these two rows, and also on the column. So we can use this 2 in here, which is what being asked here. So what is the number that you can populate here to get the same product on the straight lines, both the row wise and column wise? So the answer is 2. Thank you for watching.